What's good, my people? Back again with another video, another lace up, lace swap, whatever you want to call it. So on foot right now, we've got the Saucony ProGrid Paramount in black and white. I really do like this shoe. However, I have a small problem with the shoe. These laces are a bit, I don't know, a bit weird, a bit strange. Don't really like them. I haven't worn the shoe yet, but I definitely don't want to be walking around with laces like that. So I've got a simple pair of white laces, which I'm looking to swap in and see if it looks better, or if I've got to try a different lace swap or whatever. But yeah, so I'll just do one shoe. I don't know which one I'll do. I'll do this one. No, this one. Yep. But yeah, so I'm just going to literally do one so we can have a comparison of what it looks like. Really easy to unlace or undo. I've just got to remember where to put all the, oh, it's only one loop. Yeah, it's only one loop. So we just undo that. I said really easy and I'm having a lot of difficulty. Lovely. Get out. Yep. So what I noticed about this shoe is there's a lot of like gaps between, I think that's quite a big gap between lace holes. Maybe it just looks like it and I'm just, I don't know, I'm just going a bit loopy, but yeah. So I chose white because, you know, white tongue, white mesh, white everywhere else. I thought black might be a bit boring. Didn't want to do grey, didn't want to do any other colour. So we'll go with white. I can already tell the bottom bit is going to be tricky on this. But let's go. So the bottom just disappears into, oh no, that's not that bad. Disappeared-ish. So as always, the bottom bit, you've got to start off like that. Lace it through. Grab the lace end. Just pull it through. And job's a good one. Then underneath, straight through the other loop. So the loops on this are actually just like literally, as you can see, just go like that and you can see them all. Lovely. Then we're going over under again. I think I already like this lace. I'll be honest, I haven't even seen the finished product or whatever you want to call it, but yeah, I definitely think I prefer these. Should I put it through the tongue? Yep, why not? And then we've got a hole there. And again. Alright, there. A bit difficult on that one. Pull it through. And then we'll lace it to the top, why not? Because these are a bit different, complete, like lots of mesh, quite lightweight, and I think if I didn't lace it to the top it might look a bit strange. And then, all important, see what it looks like with the lace done up. Yeah, yeah, still looks better with the white, I definitely think. However, I think I should go for a bit of a shorter lace because there's a lot of lace here, and I don't think I like that long lace look. But yeah, I do prefer it to this. I think this, you know, it's a bit thicker, looks a bit nicer, drops a bit better. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you would go with the lace swap or the OG lace, which is kind of like, I don't know if they're actually reflective, but it's like a weird grey type of reflective-ish vibe on those. But yeah, let me know what you think. which one you choose. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you check out the review, the on foot, every review, every on foot. And yeah, take care, my people.